What's going on, you guys? Aaron here from Departures Capital, and we are here at the Aurora Sky facility. No, I'm just kidding, but we're playing around with the green screen, and we've got the Aurora Sky facility here in the background, and it feels so great to be here. It's just smells great in here, and make sure to hit that like button, guys. Anybody new to the stream, we're going to be talking about another article from Aurora Cannabis and recapping the markets. And I just wanted to go live twice today, guys, because I wanted to test out a bunch of my new backgrounds, and the lighting seems to be better now, so things are working a lot better. So yeah, we'll give you guys a couple seconds to tune in, and then we'll get straight into this news article. Give me a moment. Give me a moment, but thank you so much for tuning in. Hit that like button. Wow, we've already got a bunch of people in the room. Just fire up the chat on my phone, and then we'll get straight to things. But yeah, what do you guys think about my background? Alrighty. So, yes, sir. Round two streams a day. We'll see. We'll see. What's going on, Doug? We've got a couple extra things too, guys. So we do have this see-through cup because it's green. It's been filled up. Now we're gonna test and see what a different color. Oh, ow, wow, that's way too hot. All right, so the normal cup looks just fine. We've got a whole bunch of stuff here, though. We've got the orange teapot. Oh, look at this. There's a hole in it, apparently. We've got the orange teapot, and then we've got the special teapot. So we've got enough coffee and tea to last us for the next 2 days. Wait a second. What's up? Nice background. You and as long as you stream from 9 to 5, I'm watching while work. Technology is crazy. Do you have to get approval to use the background? No, it's just off Google. Where is the oil pan? Don't have it. You're killing me over here. You're in a greenhouse. That would be sweet. That would be really sweet. All right. So, an article was just put out about Aurora Cannabis, so we can take a look at it, guys. I just wanted to share with you this awesome background. How sweet would it be if I was actually in this greenhouse, though? So, alrighty. Right over here. So it's a positive article about Aurora Cannabis coming from Seeking Alpha. Sorry, one sec. Your water tower is leaking. So it's a positive article. With short supply of Canadian cannabis, Aurora Cannabis will rule. So they're just talking like this. It's so convenient how this article just came out after they just announced that their supply is ahead of date or whatever. So Aurora's producing more than they expected, and everything's on track, which is nice to hear. So these articles could be positive for the stock. We did see the stock move a little bit today, actually, after this article came out. So this could be one of the reasons why it's in the green. It looks like they're trying to boost PR for ACB, just as the stock's been kind of stalling. But, you know, I wanted to pick some up below $9, but we're up 1.42% already. So we'll see, guys. We'll see. But anyways, I'll keep reading this just a little bit. Government projections for cannabis in Canada are likely to fall short of expectations, just as they did with demand expectations in the country on legalization day. Future supply will be limited, considering demand growth in cannabis, and the issue will persist for a couple of years to come. Aurora Cannabis has the ability to roll out their low-cost, fully automated production facilities that utilize fewer employees. So this whole article is just about how Aurora is going to capitalize now based on their production capacity. There's lots of good information in it. It's a very long article. There's a Midas letter video right in the article. Let's see who it was wrote by. D.H. Taylor, 3.3K followers on Seeking Alpha. So, pardon me. So very, very long article. We're going to be here all day if I read this to you guys, but I just wanted to bring this to your attention for anybody looking to read it. Your water tower is leaking. Less snickering. Matthew, I didn't know you're the moderator of the group. Hey Tom, let me show you something real quick. Check this out. So, oh my gosh, we're now in the Aurora Sky facility. So let's do a live stream together sometime soon. A couple people were asking for you actually in this chat, so should be fun. Tom the Trader in the building though. Nonetheless, restart the show. I'm here now. Steve Wilson, giddy up gangster. Yes sir. So we're gonna flip back to the portfolios and stuff. Bam, there we go. We were actually just doing some looking around. We're actually seeing the rally fade out. We're seeing the rally fade out, and it's gonna be interesting to see if we can hold on to some of those gains. Now we did make a couple purchases. Why is there a hair stuck to my mic? We made a couple purchases when we were gone. We bought some Saniva, we bought some MedMen, and we bought some Boralex. Yeah, Tom had a great pick, 48 North Cannabis, and not to mention he's just a very down-to-earth guy who's great to talk to. Our first live stream, we had a very awesome little talk there about the cannabis stocks and his experience in the industry so far as a retail investor. It's awesome to see. So we picked up some MedMen around 4.20. We're down 3 cents. Darn it. But willing to pick up some more tomorrow, and then maybe some more on Wednesday. Buy incrementally. It's my strategy, guys. So if we drop off, if this rally fades out, we'll see what happens. Yeah, I feel like me and Tom had a great stream. So I'd love to do more. We just gotta work. We just gotta work the schedules, make them work. So yeah, for MedMen, it's gonna be interesting to see how their quarter is. I think it's gonna be good. And either way, long term, I'm long term on the stock. So picked up some Saniva as well. The stock does seem to be pulling back a little bit, so gonna wait a little bit, just as we have moved up over $5. So we've bought at $4. We've bought at $5, and won't be buying again until they either go to $4 again or back up to maybe $6. We'll see. Always do your research, guys. Always do your due diligence. Don't buy because we're buying or we're talking about it on here. Just because we're talking about it doesn't mean we're not financial advisors. So always got to throw that in there. We were looking at a couple other articles. 5 reasons to buy small cap pot stocks instead of large cap marijuana stocks. 3 retail marijuana stocks to watch now. MedMen was actually number 1 on that watch list, followed by Curaleaf and Trulieve. Now those 2 stocks, Curaleaf and Trulieve, have had tremendous runs. So I like the stocks, but I don't like the price. So let's see what we got here. This was what we were looking at. We actually just bought this company, Boralex, so I can show you guys if you care to see. Don't forget to hit that like button. Let's see if we can get to 25 likes. Currently we're at 19. 58 people in the room, so that's cool. Hopes of trade deal push Wall Street higher. So there's another article. Oil slides 3% as Trump shoots rally down with a tweet. So Trump wants oil to stay low, or at least not above 60 so far. And I really do think that's to keep inflation low. So let's see what he said. A familiar friend has returned to give oil bears the upper hand. President Donald Trump, amid preparations for nuclear talks with North Korea's leader, U.S. President found time earlier on Monday to tweet that oil prices were too high and OPEC should work on bringing them lower. So oil sold off 3% just based on that tweet. They don't have a screenshot of the tweet here. I wish they did. That's fine. Like I said, we're pretty much neutral on oil. Haven't been adding, but recently sold Synovus. recently bought Suncor. Better dividend, more stable play. Synovus still in the green though. Let's see how Suncor is holding up. Then we'll talk about some wheat stocks. We'll talk about Tilt and Choom. Suncor's down a little bit. Thanks for that one extra like, guys. Appreciate it. ACB. ACB has been bouncing around $9 for it feels like forever now, and it's not been that long, but it's just weird to see ACB not being volatile. Okay, so let's pull up our other portfolio here. So, Brian Rogers, yeah, so like I said, we're going to start to look at some cannabis stocks now. Just as that's what you guys love. Check in on the whole portfolio. Kiosk Beverages still up 21%. Heritage Cannabis up 12. Flower One, Evenco, Choom's up. So like I said, we'll look at Choom. Oxley actually putting in some gains. That's a fictional portfolio that I put together a while ago. Don't share values, but it's more than that. That portfolio hasn't been touched or added to for a long time. That was one of the portfolios. So I had a quick question. I know there's only 62 people in here, which is a fairly decent amount, not too many people, but I'm looking to put together a private stock market group. I know a couple other channels have private stock market groups. Yeah, it's bigger. But what do you guys think about a private stock market group? Like we have a VIP trader program. Some of you guys might be subscribed to it. It's a fantastic news-based thing, but yeah, so basically I'm looking to put together a more intricate private stock market group outlining all the trades, all the holdings, making videos. I know Jeremy from Financial Education has one. Brandon Beavis has one. The Monkway has one. Just wanted to get your opinion on what you guys think about that. If that's something that you guys would be interested in, feel free to let me know. Now, it of course would be a paid service because I would be making videos, outlining trades, all that kind of stuff that we're all invested in. So, all right, guys. Well, that's cool because I want to. Yeah, I kind of want to show like a little bit more transparency. I'm just like not too sure about that kind of channel would be great. Well, it would not necessarily be for anyone watching. I mean, people do it, but they have like a paid program. Like I'll show you. Like I'm not selling Jeremy's stock market group, but Jeremy has a stock market group. And like you can enroll in the course and like you pay a monthly fee. I'm just thinking about other things like this. Brandon Beavis has one. The Monkway has one. So yeah, I'm thinking of putting that together. If that's something you guys would be interested in, then I'll definitely go ahead and do it. And I wouldn't price it like crazy. But I think it's my next project, so it should be fun. Yeah, I mean, I actually messaged Jeremy on Twitter. He was actually very supportive, and I do respect him for the following he's growing and all that kind of stuff. But everybody has their own opinion. I mean, he's good at hyping up stuff, that's for sure. But like I said, everybody has their own opinion, so I don't say bad stuff. You want to be one of those infomercial guys? No. I don't want to be an infomercial guy, Raymond. I just want to have my private stock market group. That's pretty much it. So, okay, so we'll get to Suniva now. ACB. Sorry, Jeremy. We're going to Suniva now, buddy. Yeah, let's do it. Eat, sleep, drink tea, and then trade. Lucas. We just bought Suniva too. So we're thinking Suniva is going to be pretty good. I kind of like Suniva at these prices. I know Jason Bond's super annoying, but I guess he's paying for ads on my channel and all the other financial channels. So he's supporting us in a way, but it's pretty funny. Jason Bond. You know, my favorite Jason Bond article is when he's like, I had a good lunch, and we'll see, like he's just talking about how he had a good lunch and no one cares. So anyways, my eyes super itchy. All right. So yeah, guys, we're taking a look at another chart, Suniva here. And we bought it around 440, 450. Petra Picks. Hell no. But she can be my sugar mama. She can be my online sugar mama. But I'm not getting within 5 feet of Petra Picks. I'm not going to get within 5 feet of her picks either. I actually don't know what her picks are, but let's see if you guys can see this. Oh, you can. She's pouring a little bit of tea. My nice teapot. Got some fabulous Earl Grey tea straight from London, UK. Oh, I got the fancy box too. Let me know if you guys want to see my new tea from London, UK. It's actually really nice tea. I will get up and show you guys if you care. If not, we'll just keep looking at stuff here. It's a really awesome box. You guys can vote. If you want me to show you guys, I will. It'll take me 4 seconds to get it. You know, we know how to tea. Other than Steve Wilson. Smoke, trade, sleep. That's great. Okay. Is the Weedstock Millionaire guy from Reddit here? Who's that? Engel. Oh, this is a very interesting company. This is a very interesting company. This is a company that I found while I was browsing through utility stocks. This is the largest energy provider in Chile. The stock is down, but I don't know about Latin America, guys. It's a tough one. The stock pays 7.99%. And it's been trending down quite substantially, but I like the prices. If you guys have looked, I don't know if you guys care or you follow, but American utility companies are insanely high. Look at NextEra Energy. This stock is... You want to talk about charts? You want to talk about cannabis charts? You want to talk about runs? Look at this stock. Since January 2010, it's barely ever gone down. You want to talk about stocks on a run? Well, shoot, guys. Look at this. It's if you bought it in 1983, you could have... It almost never went down, despite the little dips. Okay, whatever. We ran into some stuff in the 2000s, even the recession. It looks like nothing. Now, there's an interesting stock to take a look at. Watching level 280k, 3 shares at 94 cents. Australia seems to be coming up. Yes, Auscan's finally making a bounce. No, I don't want to add that. Hydro 1. Nextera is amazing. We don't own Nextera individually, but we do own Nextera in XLU. And on the dip, we doubled our position in XLU. And what's up, Lucas? We actually just bought Hydro 1, so Hydro Cone. Hydro. Yeah, we just bought Hydro 1. XLU is looking tempting on this dip. Let's see what we got here. Don't really like to buy at 52-week highs, but damn. Hydro 1 limited. Let's see how we're doing for Hydro 1. We buying the same things. Yes, sir. I'm liking the dividend. 4.48%. Sorry, my nose is tripping out. I'll make myself a little bit smaller. Noticed I'm rather. See ya, guys. Oh no, I'm shrinking. And now we're back. There we go. No, Steve, I did not. There's just too much dust. There's too much dust in my apartment. It's a very old loft, so the heating can get dusty. Thanks for the info. I'm trying to figure out from the charts on my own. What do you think about Xiaomi Corp on the 27th? They're having earnings. I know Xiaomi's an interesting company. I know. I need to get a better air purifier. I just changed the filter. You start a group of private singles and you can afford a vacuum. It's weird. I just had my place cleaned. And I changed the air filter. So it's your air vents on your ceiling. Probably. Feel free to drop that link, guys. I'll be scanning the comments for that link to that air purifier. Yes, sir. Gotta have your apartment nice and clean. C21 Investments. $69 million market cap. That's tiny, but what do they do? Heard about this company. What's up, CoinStacks? Cannabis vertically integrated cannabis company cultivates, processes, and markets cannabis and hemp-derived consumer products. It's like once every 3 months I get my place cleaned for like an hour or two, so it's not like I've got a full-time maid. I do want to start a private group. I think it'll be useful for everybody. So you can't hear me? Is anyone else having trouble hearing me other than Bren Min? But I mean, yeah, so anyways, guys. Let's take a quick look at a few more things here. I'm going to look at some commodities. Some stuff that you guys might not be super interested in, the major indices, and then we're going to look at some stocks. Most active, top gainers, top losers. See what's gaining on the day. Do it all to you, but don't change your valuable people. No, I see. The thing is, do it for the love. How stupid fidelity looks here for some. Honestly, guys, I mean, like, unless I'm getting like 20, 30,000 views per video, which I'm not, I actually don't make that much off YouTube. So a private stock market group would be a way for me to offer more value. Yes, I'd charge a monthly fee. It wouldn't be anything crazy, but I wouldn't change what I'm doing right now. So I'm always going to do these live streams, always going to have a free element, and there's always just going to be additional stuff. If you guys see value in the paid services, then by all means support the channel. But yeah, there will always be this community, whether you don't want to spend any money or you want to spend money on the stuff that I've designed and worked hard on. It's up to you guys. I just appreciate you guys being here, and hitting the like button's free, so hit that like button. Right, you're a realtor, go sell one house. I was a realtor. My license is like, yeah. What will you offer in this group? Ask for super chats. There you go. No, I'm not going to ask for super chats. If you guys want to donate, that's cool, but I'm not going to ask for money. I'd rather like just show you guys value. If you see value, then donate. If not, it's all good. I didn't hear about XR. Oh, Coinbase and XRP. That might be interesting. No, what happened? Let's close up some of these tabs. I've got way too many tabs open right now. Suniva's off by 4 cents. Real-time commodity futures. Yes, sir. We do watch a whole ton of stocks, and I do have my opinion. So I hope you did your research on MedMen, but so far it's looking pretty good. Thank you, Claudia. I see you've changed your picture. I see that's your picture from Mexico, eh? Yeah, hit that like button. Listen. So anyways, choom. What price are you going to buy MedMen at today? I've already bought MedMen. Bought MedMen at 4, let's see here. What's it gonna take to smash the naughty button? It's gonna take more likes. It's gonna take a $1,000 donation in the super chat. No, I'm just kidding.
Naughty, naughty, naughty.
Who said I don't like it? Never said I don't like your Mexico picture. It's not Maui. It's Mexico. And I know this for a fact. Wahid, what up? See you later, Tom. Let's do a live stream soon. Oh, shoot. Don't worry, Claudia. I'll answer my WeChat messages in a bit. Okay. Yeah, let's hope the rally continues for MedMen. We're getting a little pixelated here, so let's move into the middle of the camera. There we go. Just on the mic and a moment on my shoulder. Okay, guys. How long has it been? I feel like time just flies by. Oh my gosh, it's already been 30 minutes. We'll stay for a little bit longer. WeChat is very much still a thing. You're on, or is this a new show? This is a new show. Good feeling about MedMen. Whole sector slightly red. It will come back strong today, up 5%. I hope so. No news about Namaste, unfortunately. Sorry. I'm not in on fire. That's one stock that we don't own. 360. 367. Man, Namaste just can't catch a break. Like, holy smokes. I didn't see their new ad, but if you got a link or any info to share, that'd be sweet. Latest news, Namaste getting their products certified. Let's check. Why is Jeremy's stock market group still up here? 1 second. I'm not selling Jeremy's stock market group. Okay, let's see. I do not see any news for Namaste. Should recover quickly from CEO setback. This was put out February 6th. It's the 25th and they haven't recovered. What are you guys talking about? Yes, Steve Wilson, I would be very upset. How dare you? How dare you leave my live stream? Hit that like button if you're gonna leave. All right. So we've got some articles here, guys. Just check the chat. Molecule.com. What is this? It's better be not a bad website. Oh. This is awesome. HEPA filter. Mold. This is definitely what I need. It's only $1,200. Holy crap. That is... It's a little pricey one, eh? Let's see if my ad's still up. No way. Are you kidding me? So when I was in China, guys, I did an ad, like a commercial for this, but this is not it. This is not it. It was a Shenzhen-based startup. It's called the G-Breeze. Let's see. It was on Kickstarter. It's probably down. It's probably down by now. No. It was a couple years ago. Can't find it. Whatever. Okay. Hiro Naka, what is this a video about? Let's see what we've got here. Namaste Technologies. YBM Group adds authenticity markers to Namaste. Product authenticity and consumer engagement solutions provider YPB Group is excited to announce that existing distribution partner and e-commerce leader in the cannabis market. Namaste has agreed to broaden the use of YPB's product markers to all products on Namaste e-commerce platforms. Man, it's still not helping out the stock though. It's down to 105. I need some kind of air purification system. All right. We'll see what this is. We'll check it out real quick. I don't want to get demonetized, so I don't know if there's music.
Fathers at hemp farms. Yeah.
Oh, I guess this is that's sweet. This is a MedMen video.
But you know what isn't normal? America's 80 years of unjust prohibition, which hasn't made us any safer.
I don't know if it's okay to watch this.
Alright, I'm getting a little off track, but the point is, these punishments have been harsh.
Let's take a quick look.
Like 25 years in a prison, harsh. That's madness. Speaking of, you remember this classic bit of propaganda?
Check this out, guys.
Madness? How about wellness? How about everyday good people are using it to calm their pain, their stress, their anxieties? And a product that drove people to the black market is now creating a new global market. That's a lot of jobs. And the same thing that inspired the creators, the makers, and the disruptors.
This is pretty cool.
The symbol of counterculture is, at long last, just culture. It's normal again. Here's to the new normal.
That's pretty cool. MedMen. So there's a quick little ad from MedMen. Wow, we need to contact them and help them out with their YouTube. They don't even have 1,000 subscribers yet. So, yeah, maybe we can do some work for MedMen. They got a pretty cool little channel here. Let's take a look. I'm not going to watch any more videos, but I guess they only have, they've got a couple videos, so feel free to check it out. It's a good way to do your research on a company, check out all the stuff they got. Yes, it will for sure. Oxley Cannabis up 2.7%. C21 Investments, I don't know. Stocks came off 64 cents pretty nicely to $1.65. US utility codes. I do like this Angle Generation ADR. I'm just a little bit concerned about investing in South America, but the stock yields a very nice yield. It's down and looks like it's making a bottom. Your passport to unappreciated 7% yields. I might look at buying a little bit of this one today. Maybe a couple hundred shares actually. Kind of liking that one. We already talked about oil. Hopes of trade deal push the markets up. We are seeing First Quantum Minerals run like crazy. Copper's on a nice tear today. Barrick Gold's down 2% as they're aggressively going for new Mount mining. Do you think you would beat Trudeau in an IQ test? I don't know. I think I would beat him in a common sense test. Trudeau's probably more book smart than me, but I don't think he's street smart. That's a funny question, actually. My 2-year-old niece can beat him. Trudeau needs to head for jail. There's a lot of places Trudeau needs to go, and that one of them is not being the Prime Minister of Canada. Oh my gosh. Biggest decliner of our 2019 watch list. Juju followed by Namaste. Alkaline water is pulling back. Come on. I want this stock to pull back to $4. Please. Please. Tetra Biopharma can't move much. Hexo not doing too much. Barrick Gold below 17 now. Talked about selling it. Chartwell Retirement Residence, Gluskin Chef Associates. We are seeing some green. First Majestic Silver making a nice run up, 5%. First Majestic's one to watch. Forget when we bought this. This stock was down in the 6s. Man, I like First Majestic. All right, what else we got here? Kirkland Lake Gold, man, making another run, 3.7%. Alibaba. Tempted to really take some profits on Alibaba. Do you think that the bullish rally will hold up when it comes to Chinese tech? Yeah, that's the problem. Shoot, man. We talked about... been talking about Barrick with an all-stock deal that it's going to cause dilution. I don't know why holding on to it. I hope it doesn't fall off a cliff. If we peak our head above 17 again, I might consider selling it. It definitely felt it all the way from 1850 down to 1680 already. Yeah, that's true. So if we see a rally in the gold miners, which I'm not too sure if we're going to see that in the short term, gold is dipping a little bit more. It's a tough one for Barrick. If the deal gets rejected, the stock might go up again. I believe it's a hostile takeover bid, so we'll see what happens. Barrick's a tough one right now. I know Kirkland Lake is running like crazy again. But what do you think, Jay, about Alibaba? Currently sitting on some pretty nice gains for Alibaba, and I'm just not too sure if the rally is going to hold. We've made a huge recovery. And I was looking at the 6-month chart for Alibaba. I do feel like we could drop down, back down to the 170s. It's tough right now. I'm just thinking about Alibaba. Alibaba and Tencent. Sitting on some pretty nice gains. But yeah, that was our justification when we bought Alibaba, was buying China and the consumer market. I do think we could pull back to like 170 though. What up, hustler? Let me check. Let me show you something. 3, 2, 1. Aurora Sky. Shout out to Investing Hustler for hitting 10K subscribers. Now we are in Aurora Sky facility. Now we are not anymore. There we go. All right, sweet. So Macy's, I don't like retail stocks. What should I give away? I'll give away a tea bag with Departures Capital logo on it. All right, let's check in on commodities real quick. Amazon gift cards. Give away a naughty button.
Naughty, naughty, naughty.
I don't know why the naughty button looks so good on the green screen. Maybe because red. But maybe both, Steve. Just kidding. Oh, how is the weather, Investing Hustler? It is snowy as hell right now. Copper Mountain. What's going on with Copper Mountain? It's chiefy weather. Copper Mountain is on fire. Copper is one of those sectors that I did not give enough love to, and I think it will be very good in the next couple years. I'm pretty sure, though, I put together a watch list for copper stocks. So let me see if I can find it. Let's see what we've got here, guys. We've got financials, utility codes, precious metal miners, US REITs, hot stocks. Maybe not. Hey, a big fan of right here. Can you comment on Namaste? I have been read since you bought it. Announces new integrated mine plan, increases copper and gold annual production, extends mine life, and lowers cash costs. Can't sell this shares for 3 years. Do it live on the I don't trade options. Let's take a look at Chiron. Chiron is tanking. We expected a pullback of some sort, but this thing will probably hold on to 350. If not, I think we're headed down to 250. Damn, girl, someone is now playing Chiron. Still not touching this one, but I'll buy it at 250. Just like I'll buy water at $4, but not until then. Loving the decline on alkaline water. Let's keep going. Come on, I want to see $4. Sorry for anyone who's long on alkaline water. I'm only talking it down because I want to buy it. That's the only reason. Otherwise, I think it's an awesome company. Where do you live, DG stocks? It's getting personal in here. Namaste down another 3.67%. I don't really have much to say about Namaste. They need to have some more positive PR. I hope the stock holds on to $1. That's pretty much all I gotta say about it. It's just a hold for me right now, and it looks to be continuing the downtrend, which is kind of upsetting. The only time I'd ever consider buying it again is if it hit its lows again. That's it. For now, it's just a watch. Feel free to talk about Namaste, Steve. I'd love to hear it. Yes, sir. Yamana Gold. YRI. Traded this stock a few times. We hold a long position on Namaste for a couple years. Namaste. Yamana at $2 was a steal. Yeah, everybody holds on to, well, maybe some people, maybe not everybody, but we've got a couple losers in our portfolio. I'd say the biggest loser in our portfolio, tiny position, Liberty Leaf Holdings, down like 75% on that company or something, but only got $1,000 in there, so it's just, it's whatever at this point. I'd rather take a loss than sell it for, I'd rather have it go to zero than actually click the sell button. I'd rather just not click that sell button and watch it go to zero. But yeah. Yamana Gold. I did put out a video on a couple different gold stocks. Actually, I put out a lot of videos recently, guys. I've been trying to, let's see here. We'll just go over it super duper quick. So, I put out a bunch of videos. I put out 2 videos on hot stock for 2019. This goes over our watch list and the trades that we've made. Video with Hustler. This is like 36 minutes long, talking about all different cannabis stocks. Of course, we've got our Aurora videos, and then I put out this video 4 days ago on gold. It just talks about Kinross, Yamana, Barrick, and what's the last one? Alamos Gold. I think it's Alamos Gold. So, interesting video on gold. I have a thumbnail designer, so he's a pretty cool dude. My business partner, he helps with a lot of stuff. He helps with our VIP trader program. He does all the design work and stuff. So, shout out to Matthew, my thumbnail designer, for making those cool thumbnails. Okay, what are the top moving stocks? Spark Therapeutics still up 120%. Stamps.com up 18.9%. And Danaher and General Electric, I believe they entered into some kind of, oh yeah, sorry. Danaher bought General Electric's a portion of their business for I forget how many billions, but both the stocks are up. I guess shareholders are thinking, wow, they got a good deal, and GE's thinking, wow, we've unloaded some of our debt. So good news for GE. Stocks up over $11, pushing $12. GE was a steal at 7. Man, Alibaba putting in those gains. Facebook up 2%. We're not even seeing that many decliners. We are seeing Kraft Heinz decline again. I wonder what the sustainability of their dividend's going to be at 3.32%. Buffett says Berkshire overpaid for Heinz. I wonder if he's doubling down. Sorry guys, the chat was laggy there. Let's see. Norbert Chong, how many stocks do we own? I don't know, I'd have to check. Probably 40 to 50 companies. Here's a prediction for Kraft. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. What do you think is going to happen for Kraft? Stock's down like 30%. Bam. Hustler buying that IGC. So I don't trade under Departures Capital. But Departures Capital is incorporated for legal liability aspects. But in terms of trading, don't have capital within the corporation. I don't want, for a legal liability aspect, don't want to have anything within the corporation. So get it, Hustler. How much money you got in IGC right now? Are you still in IGC? Yeah, the whole point of incorporating Departures Capital was just for legal liability aspect. Yep. So get into a big legal battle, we just fold Departures Capital and that's it. And then it turns into Arrival Capital. I'm just kidding. I don't know. I just started a new corporation. Do I tell the ladies I own an investment fund? I mean, not really. I don't pretend to be some hedge fund manager, but I mean, if you follow my Instagram, you definitely know, like, we trade. So, but like, obviously they know I'm like a YouTuber and all that kind of crap. So video paused. There we go. Let's get the beat back here. But you know what, actually, guys, don't ladies. What? You better not. Cancellations Capital. That's great. Freestyle beats. Nah, let's go with this one. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, this beat's pretty good. DXY negative again. Yeah, let's see gold go up though. Come on. I want to see the dollar back off. Honestly. Let's see if we can get that. Dollar's barely negative. I just read an article actually before I jumped on live right now. It was from the analyst talking about, where was it? Dollar rally. Friggin' annoying. Let's see if we can find it. Chart of the day, and then there's another dollar rally on the way, but I don't really buy into it. Whoa. Our microphone. There we go. That looks better. It's getting a little pixelated. Chart of the day, there's another dollar rally on the way. What do you think, Jay? I just don't buy into it. He obviously has a long position on the dollar. ACB 4 live, looking for a better power hour. Yeah, I'm really not buying into this dollar rally talk. Yeah, we'll definitely see volatility on the dollar, but I don't think we're gonna. Like, let's take a quick look at the charts for the dollar rally. First, Majestic Silver. Let's X out of that. Man, Baba is just running. 183.5 now. I mean, shoot, I wouldn't buy that chart as a long trade. That looks like it's going to sink to 95.5 at least. Yeah, no. I mean, long-term charts looks like... I don't know, we'll see. I own 2K ACB shares for long hold, but I also day trade ACB on my Think or Swim platform. Cool. So yeah, we'll see what happens with the dollar. I don't buy into it. I don't buy into the rally. There we go. ACB. ACB is up 2.3% today now. Just can't seem to sell below $8. We're bouncing off 9 again. I don't know, guys. I'm pretty neutral on it. Unless we take a sharp dive, I'm not buying. And unless we rally like crazy, I'm not selling. Ooh, let's talk. Yeah, let's talk about Hive. Hive in the cryptos. Another very interesting trade. I mean, if you're long-term bullish on the cryptos, especially Ethereum, Hive discounted right now. But it's hard to say where they're going. If you like Hive, what do you think about Hut 8 mining? Oh, man. Hive's definitely the riskier play. I'd say it really comes down to how bullish are you on cryptocurrencies. If you're super bullish on Ethereum, Hive would be my #1 pick. If you want a little more diversity and less exposure to the downside risk, then I would definitely go with HBLK, because HBLK, I believe they own some Intel, they own some IBM, they own Visa, MasterCard, so it's not just a purely speculative play, it's more so a bet on blockchain. Let's just look at HBLK holdings though. I'm actually kind of curious because we do have some HBLK. Probably more than I want to own of HBLK right now, but let's see the holdings. Luxoft Holdings is our top holding at 9.5%. Hive Blockchains are #4 holdings at 5.7%. Overstock.com, IBM, MasterCard, Oracle, SAP, Visa, Intel, Hut 8 Mining. They do own some good companies. Let's see what Luxoft is, though. I don't know what Luxoft is. They're all spec, no dividend. We don't even know what they hold. They're basically OTC. Well, we just saw what HBLK is holding. Holy crap. I'm wondering why Luxoft made such a crazy recovery. All right, let's take a quick look at this article because I'm actually kind of interested to see why this company jumped so much. But first, I want to find out what they do. And let's pretend blockchain becomes something. It's not like everyone who uses blockchain has to pay Bitcoin, a fee to use the technology. Yeah, you're right. Companies like IBM, Visa, MasterCard, they're investing in blockchain, but not necessarily a specific crypto. That's where betting on a miner is a lot different than betting on a company who's just investing in the technology. So you got to pick your poison for that. But let's see what happened here. Luxoft gets a buyout offer. Luxoft Holdings soared more than 80% in wake of software development company getting a buyout bid from DXC Technologies. All right, so that's why that stock's up. Luxoft is a provider of software development services and IT solutions to a global client base. Multinational corporations. Okay, so 12,898 employees. It's a pretty big company, $2 billion company. Go with the live trades in action. What is the difference between me playing with a credit card or having Bitcoin on my phone? The only way cryptos keep their value is they remain anonymous and tax-free. Shows you real-time live trading. CIBC, the biggest seller of CGC 2 days ago. Damn, a guy crashed his Tesla, caught fire, and he died. Other companies are going to pass Tesla. Smart boys at Sussex Ave would never let that happen. Meta. What's up with Meta? National Access Cannabis, is that what we're looking at right now? 8%. Never followed this company. Thank you for bringing a new stock to my list. Let's see. Formerly Brassnet Capital Corp is a Canada-based company engaged in the provision of business support services. That's cool. Big retail play. All right, let's add Meta to our cannabis portfolio then. Since it's on the move. I just can't find my portfolio anymore, so let's just pull it up again. All right, that description is dated. Yeah, I'm sure it is. Pretty bad description. What is going on here? Okay, let's see what we got. Meta. Go back. There we go. We'll look at T-God in a sec, and then I'm going to hit the road, guys, because I want to play around with this green screen for my market minutes. It's going to be fun. Things are going to be much different. Kiosk Beverages selling off later on into the day. We were up 27% at one point. Now we're only up 19%. 12% on Heritage Cannabis. T-God. What are you talking about? T-God's not really moving much today. Wow. Up 1.6%. That's all right. T-God is looking pretty decent at these prices, though, but we are up substantially. Off that $2 low. Wowzers. How's MedMen doing? 417. I'll take it. Cron, Pure Global, Chiron Life Sciences, International Canada Brands. We kind of knew. Talked about a pullback in Chiron for so long. Yeah, ACB's finally doing something. Let's take one more look at it. And then we're going to hit the road because I want to chill out before I shoot my next video. Just a little bit. 2.63%. Huron Life Sciences. Come on. Go back down to 250. Please. Okay, guys, a couple quick more looks at a few more stocks, and then we are getting the heck out of here. So, we are seeing a bunch of U.S. utility codes sell off. Southern's an interesting one, too. They're a little bit lower due to their play on coal, which is not really something that I want to be involved in, but I do like most of these utility codes. I like NL Generation ADR. Chile. It's a play on the Chile market. Stocks for 2019. Oh, First Quantum Minerals up like crazy. Barrick Gold pissing me off. Premier Gold Mines, Alkaline Water, Tetra Biopharma, all in the red. Man. What's up, coins? What's wrong? Hempco. Hempco is an interesting one. Hempco, food and fiber. Wow. Getting tired here, guys. Getting tired here. Need some more tea. The chart's looking pretty good. If I was buying this one, I'd buy incrementally. Because it looks like we could potentially go to 75 cents or lower, but that's just the long-term charts. Looks like we're going to test some support on this one. I hope so. MXR. I'll look at one more stock. I'll look at one more stock, and then I want to look at one more real quick. Hempco at 72 cents. Nice buy. Shoot, what was the last company that I was going to look at, guys? What was the last company? I don't think it was this one. I do want to see what this company's up to on the day. Oh, making a nice little recovery. Stock trading can be annoying in two ways. It can be annoying when you buy a stock and it goes down, and it can be annoying when you buy a stock and you don't buy enough of it and it goes up like crazy. It's all hindsight. The most important thing is that you're winning. If you're winning. DG slots, that is the rule. Hit that like button before you go. Or before the stream is over. Because I will leave soon, guys. It's already been, oh my gosh, it's been an hour and 15 minutes. Time disappears when I'm on live. What's up, Jeff? Nice to have you here. So, naughty button. We'll hit the naughty button one time for you.
Naughty.
And we'll also hit the cash button. Steve, that is not what I do. I am going to look outside because it's extremely snowy and be happy and fortunate that I'm keeping warm talking to you guys. So, GNE, all right, last stock we're taking a look at and then I'm out of here. Thank you, thank you. You drink tea so much, you must do coke. You should be here in Miami. It's in the 80s. Damn. Dick Cheney and other big boys are on board. For Genie Energy, 3.47% dividend, 5-year chart's looking pretty nice. Here, let's see what they do. I guess I say my name too fast. It's actually Aaron, Aaron, but I appreciate it. Thank you for the support. Is an Israeli oil company. Wow, that's a tongue twister. Sometimes my words get all messed up. Many think that what the whole war in Syria is about. You know what, guys? Before I go, I'm actually gonna grab something and show you guys something. I'll be back in about 1 second, maybe a couple seconds. All right, guys. Oh, why is it see-through? I can't show you. Damn. I got these. Area, you can kind of see it. It's this tea I got. It's Earl Grey tea from London. Straight from London, England, but now it's see-through because of the green screen. You can't really see it. You can kind of see it. There you go. This is so trippy. Look at my see-through box. Now my face is see-through. Even this one's see-through, but you can kind of see it. I don't know if you know the brand. Fortnum and Mason. That's what we're drinking today. It's okay. Steve doesn't like tea. Steve likes, what are you drinking then, Steve? Steve starts his day with a shot of Jack. Can you slick your hair the other way tomorrow? No, man, I only slick it one way. Sorry, buddy. Afternoon, how is Cube closing? Coffee, of course. See, there we go. Or is it Irish coffee? I've got the coffee too. Steve loves good kush, shot of Jack, and a black coffee. That's what gets his morning started. Okay, anyways, guys, enough screwing around here. I'm out of here. I'm gonna leave. Want some of my kush, Aaron? What kind of stuff you got? That puts me to sleep. Must be must be indica. Sorry, man. You don't like the trumpet speed, eh? Oh, we'll see what else we got. Didn't know it was EOD. Have a good one. Super strain. Yeah, man. Alright, sorry guys. Yeah, this stream's over, so we're heading out. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to smash that like button before you leave, and we'll be dropping our market minutes in an hour or two. It's almost 3 o'clock already, so we're going to have a new background for the market minutes. No more futon, no more kitchen, and yeah, that's it. So thanks for tuning in. I'm out of